Hi gardeners, welcome back to GL365. In today's video, we're making a succulent arrangement. For this project, you'll need 3 to 6 succulents, pebbles, a pot, potting soil, and water. To begin, I started pouring in the pebbles. Since the pot is clear, I figured adding pebbles at the bottom would be a nice feature. Once I filled the pot about halfway, I started adding a layer of soil almost to the brim, but not quite. Next, I began taking the succulents out of their pots and moving them around to figure out which ones I like next to each other. It can be challenging finding the right succulents to pair, especially if the garden centers local to you don't have a lot of options. But this is the most important step because if you put the wrong succulents together, it won't look right. If you want me to do a video on how to choose the right succulents for your arrangement, let me know in the comments. Also, if you buy cacti, be extra careful when handling them because their needles are super sharp and painful. So once you have all the plants in the pot, go ahead and add a little bit more soil around each one. We want to make sure that the plants are sturdy, and also the soil should be right just below the rim. And that's it! This project took a total of 10 or so minutes. If you want me to do a video on how we pick the succulents for this arrangement, let us know. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy gardening!